Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and we are going to be working on our June mini kit Monday layout number 2. So excited about this one, guys, because I'm going to be scrapbooking my friends. Here we are, and this is the first cruise that my husband and I went to. And that's also when I found out that I'm not too excited about cruises, but hey, I tried it. I'm going to scrapbook these 2 pictures, and I'm going to put these pictures on the side so I won't lose them. Here are the items that we are going to use. I'm going to use some of these elements here from this sticker. It's a soft spoken You and Me sticker, another Tuesday morning haul. And then of course this alphabet stickers from, again, Tuesday morning. And I will be using this Cardabella Let's Cruise papers. This is the sticker sheet for the collection, and I am going to use off the collection this papers. So I'm going to use this one on top. It's double-sided, but I'm only going to use this side. This is also double-sided, but I only use this side. This is double-sided, and I'm going to use both sides. And then this is going to be the base, and that's the back of this paper. Let's start playing with this layout. So I'm going to start with taking off the branding strips of these 4 papers. So since I have this paper out already, I'm going to start with cutting this paper to 5 and 10 3/4. So 5 inches this way. And then 10 3/4 this way. We're going to use this paper and we're going to cut this down to 5 and 9 3/4. And then 9 3/4. The next sheet of paper that we're going to cut is this, and I am going to get 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch of this paper. So cutting 1/2 inch this way, and then another 1/2 inch. And then this one, we're going to cut this to 9 by 9. So 9 by 9. And 9 inches this way. All right. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to ink the edges of the elements that we just cut. This paper is a bit distressed, so I'm going to distress it a bit more on these sides. The other element that we're going to pull out of this sticker sheet would be this sticker down here. But I want to cut this down too using my trimmer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure it out. In between these 2 border stickers, there is about maybe this sticker here. That's about 1/8 of an inch. And I'm going to cut through this, that's border sticker. That's in between these 2 borders, this sticker here. So now that I've cut it, I'm gonna cut this into 5 inches. And I need another 5 inches here. So what I'm going to do is ink and Dark to Distress this sticker to match the rest of the embellishments that I have here. There you go. Let's put this aside and start putting our layout together. I'm going to start by putting these borders down, the ships. And then we'll do the same thing for the top. Okay, so let's play with this stickers here, and I'm going to use the sticker to peel it off, and then I'm going to put it up against here, leaving about 1/4 of an inch on top here. So I'm gonna use my fingers here to align it. There you go. And then I'll do the same thing but on the opposite side here for this one at the bottom, leaving about approximately 1/4 of an inch. So I'm just eyeballing this, guys. Okay, so there we go. That's the first layer, I guess. And then we're going to go, so the direction of this paper is actually this way, right? The direction of this back paper here is up and down, but I think I'm gonna play with it and use it this way. You know, before I do that, let me put this one first. Put this right here, about 1/2 inch on this end here. And then, yeah, I'll do it this way. I didn't want to butt it all the way up here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take about 1/2 inch this way, because this was 10 3/4. So I'm going to take 1/2 inch off of the bottom, which leaves me 10 1/4. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I like this better because I wanted to make sure that there's this on the top and at the bottom. There you go. So let me just get my adhesive here and put this down and commit it. So let's do this, and 1/2 inch here, and I'm just going to eyeball the top and the bottom and kind of try to make them even. I think that's good enough. Okay, committing it. Then what I'm going to do is put this on. As I was mentioning earlier, I didn't want the lines to go up and down this way. I'm going to go ahead and put them this way. So let me commit this. There you go. Again, I'm just centering it up and down, and I'm butting this at the end. I'm gonna go this way. That way I can see it better. There you go, guys. Now we're going to put this on, and this will go here this way. So basically it's going to be 1 inch, and this is going to be 1/2 inch over here. Trying to keep it as best I can the same as what's in the layout or in the sketch, but sometimes I just have to make some changes to the actual layout sketch. So I'm just trying to eyeball this as best I can. Pictures are gonna go here like this, like so. I think I like that. Okay, I'm gonna start from the one in the bottom. Making sure I'm gonna hold this down so it won't move. And then I'm going to pull this let screws over here. And then put it up here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some wet glue on this one. I don't want to have it falling out. Okay, let's screws. Now I'm going to find my stickers, and I'm going to put some stickers up here and down here. Okay, we're going to bust some of the stickers here, and I want to add some stickers here. I think I'm going to go and use this together and put it up here, and then us down here, and then we're going to say here, I'm thinking of a title. I have this set sail sticker here. Let's see how it works. So set sail. And I'm gonna put it this way. Let me just ink this a bit and distress them a bit. Okay, and then we're going to put some glue as normal. I'll do it this way. Let's say set. I'm kind of tempted to put this guy here. Let's see. Didn't dry yet, so I'm gonna put this up here. I'm sorry, I've been changing my mind a lot as I play with this, and I'm just gonna put this guy over here. I just like him. There you go. I hope this layout is not too busy for you guys. I just had so much fun with the stickers. I wanted to use quite a bit of them. So anyway, guys, this is our layout. I hope you enjoyed watching me go through the process. I hope it's similar to the sketch that we are following. Anyway, guys, if you like this layout, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please subscribe. We're trying to grow our family. Anyway, guys, this is it for now. And thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys later. Bye.